Oh, sorry, everyone. That was a badly timed cough. Just worked out. I've made $195 for the week, and I'm trading a $10,000 demo account with stocks to trade. And it's a pretty good platform as well. To be honest, I do have occasional lag issues, and it is a little bit of money for me. Australian dollars, it's around $230 a month. And there's like a $7 international transaction fee. That's normal. I've subscribed to forums and stuff before. There is just an international transaction fee. Anyway, though, I just want to touch upon my trades that I've done, and if anyone's looking to understand, why I take certain trades and what I look for, this is all from a very raw beginner perspective. I started the penny stocking journey pretty much 5 months ago. I signed up on the 7th of July at about midnight, and that's when I paid for everything. And I'm not a challenge student. I'm a market prep student, so they got me a couple of DVDs. I think it was penny stocking. It was like part deux something, and I've got them right there. But anyway, you get a couple of good, key DVDs, and I'll be looking to get some more as well soon. I am saving for the challenge and to fund a live account as well. But really, there isn't a lot of urgency for me because I've only done 27 trades, so it's not the end of the world for me. But I want to discuss. I've discussed PXS in this video here. VTGN was discussed here, and CUR was discussed here as well. So I'm finding, obviously, I'm a little more long biased, but I will short, and I have done beforehand. It was just a lot of these were moving pretty well. The worst trade, we'll get the rating system here, so I keep a nice little journal. Pick, I guess that was 7 out of 10, that trade. The exit was good. The exit actually, I had it, so we get let's get a screenshot up. Just want to really document my thesis on this trade here. Maybe losing trades. I was watching the Timbone. I don't know why it's doing this, how it grabs both screens, because previously it wasn't. I was running 2 screens before, so it's an interesting little. Anyway, so I got in. It's unfortunate. I got in at 626. The low of that candle was 601. Okay, it's not showing that, but that's what it was. So that was the thesis. Get in at near the close of the candle, which was around 630, and I actually got executed at 626. So you win some, you lose some, and then but the entry was 2 out of 5. Really, the main issue was it was a little bit of a fake out, and it was a little overextended, and I was chasing a little bit. It had already gone quite far previously, and I missed probably the ideal entry. So, and 5 was very disciplined. I got out at 605 actually, because I held for a few minutes, around 8 minutes or so, and I really tried to get through 630. I tried multiple times to get filled around that, and it just didn't execute. The volume wasn't great. It was quite wicky, so it didn't get executed. Got out. Not a huge loss. It's saying 105 on Profitly, but 120 due to the commissions. It's like a 0.05 cents a share, I believe, with Interactive Brokers. That's what I've done with the stocks to trade. That's the calibration I've used. So anyway, so I mean, as you can see, I had 1-7 trade there, had a 5, had a 5, had a 7. So I'm still not really, taking those really outstanding trades, and I just need to sort of let the winners go. The VTGN one was a little disappointing. That one really could have gone. That went to the 260s or so, and I got out way too soon. So I'm very aware of my exit strategy being pretty flawed, because my win rate isn't too bad. but the concern with that is if you're cutting winners too soon and then, the losing trades as well, it's going to be like, a 50-50 thing, and you're not going to really grow an account too well like that. So just want to highlight upon, understanding your weaknesses and really working on that as well. So, 62.96 win rate. So the main focus next week will be, executing and not hesitating. So I've got the plan I've been watching, the catalyst is in place, there is volume, the chart looks good, it's not heading into, any major well-established resistance. Fundamentals of the company, not too focused on, honestly. Is there a catalyst? Is there something going on? Is there volume? Is it moving a little bit? It's 10-20%. And then get into the trade. And if it's just going sideways, don't immediately pull the trigger to get out. Just let it develop. If it does turn, hits that mental stop, immediately get out. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye for now. Happy trading.